Looking for the best robot vacuum cleaner in 2026 you can buy right now? In this video, we're counting down the most powerful, smartest, and most reliable robot vacuums on the market, perfect for homes, pets, and everyday cleaning. Let's jump in. Starting at number 1. Beatbot Sora 70 Pool Vacuum Robot, 2026 New. The 2026 new Beatbot Sora 70 Pool Vacuum Robot in Midnight Blue is a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution designed to keep above-ground and in-ground pools up to 3,200 square feet spotless with minimal effort. Featuring 360 degrees top-to-bottom cleaning performance and a high-flow 6,800 GPH pump, it efficiently captures debris of all sizes across pool floors and walls, while the smart surface parking system automatically detects and docks the robot when cleaning is complete or when it reaches the pool surface. With a generous 6-liter debris capacity, it reduces the frequency of emptying during heavy cleaning cycles, and its advanced navigation ensures thorough coverage without missing spots. Built for convenience and durability, the Sora 70 offers a hands-free cleaning experience that saves time and keeps your pool water clearer and healthier throughout the swimming season. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo Series. The Roborock Qrevo Series Robot Vacuum and Mop, Black, QV35A, is a powerful all-in-one cleaning robot designed to keep your floors spotless with minimal effort. Upgraded from the Qrevo S, it delivers strong 8,000 pascals suction to effectively lift dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors, while anti-tangle brushes help prevent hair wrap for smoother performance. Built-in smart obstacle avoidance uses advanced sensors and mapping to navigate around furniture and obstacles with precision, and the auto mop washing system keeps the dual 200 revolutions per minute spinning mops clean and ready for efficient wet cleaning. The included all-in-one dock automatically empties the bin, refills water, and cleans the mops, reducing maintenance for users and making daily cleaning effortless. With intelligent app control, scheduled cleaning, and customizable modes, the Qrevo robot offers a comprehensive solution for keeping your home clean and fresh. Number 3. ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI Robot Vacuum and Mop is a premium, feature-rich floor cleaning robot designed to deliver deep, hands-free cleaning performance across your home. It boasts an incredibly powerful 30,000 pascals suction that lifts dust, debris, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets, while the TrueEdge Deep Edge cleaning ensures thorough dirt pickup along walls and in corners. The instant self-cleaning OZMO roller mop automatically rinses itself and scrubs floors without manual intervention, and the zero-tangle system helps prevent hair wrap around the brushes for smoother, low-maintenance operation. With AI obstacle avoidance and advanced navigation, the DEEBOT intelligently detects and avoids furniture, pet bowls, cables, and other obstacles. After cleaning, the station uses hot water wash and 145 degrees Fahrenheit air drying to sanitize the mops and keep the unit fresh. This combination of high-power suction, automated self-cleaning, and intelligent navigation makes the DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI an excellent choice for busy households seeking an efficient, all-in-one robot cleaning solution. Number 4. NARWAL Freo Z10 Robot Vacuum. The NARWAL Freo Z10 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a high-performance, low-maintenance cleaning robot designed to tackle pet hair, dust, and debris across hard floors and other surfaces with ease. It delivers strong 15,000 pascals suction for powerful vacuuming and features a tangle-free robot mop system that resists hair wrap to ensure consistent performance without frequent brush cleaning. The Freo Z10 intelligently navigates and adapts to hard-to-reach areas using advanced obstacle avoidance, allowing it to clean around furniture, corners, and tight spaces efficiently. Its self-emptying base automatically clears the dustbin after each run, while the integrated mop station washes and dries the mop pads, maintaining cleanliness and reducing hands-on maintenance. With smart mapping, scheduled cleaning via the mobile app, and customizable cleaning modes, this robot vacuum and mop combo offers a convenient and comprehensive solution for busy households, especially those with pets or allergy concerns. Number 5. DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete. The DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop is an advanced, feature-packed cleaning robot upgraded from the X50 series, engineered for powerful and intelligent whole-home cleaning. With an ultra-thin 3.13-inch, 7.95 centimeters design, it navigates easily under furniture and hard-to-reach areas while delivering an impressive 35,000 pascals suction that lifts dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The all-in-one base station takes care of maintenance by self-emptying the dustbin, refilling water, and self-cleaning and drying the mop, reducing manual upkeep. Equipped with 280+ advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, it intelligently detects and steers around furniture, wires, and other obstacles for smooth navigation. Smart mapping, customizable cleaning schedules, and app control add convenience, while the combination of powerful suction and efficient mop cleaning ensures thorough floor care, making the X60 Max Ultra an excellent choice for busy households seeking a comprehensive automated cleaning solution. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the video description so you can easily choose and buy the best robot vacuum for your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.